Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May 27th, 2021, and I'm transplanting the poor man's orchid flowers today. Now this is also known as, I believe it's pronounced Schizanthus, and you can see here the plants do have a trailing habit to them. So we're going to be putting them in a 10-inch hanging basket, and we're going to be putting 4 plants per 10-inch hanging basket. Now these have beautiful, beautiful flowers to them. I love how the flowers are designed and shaped. They do come in many different colors. Now I did start these from seed, and I do have videos on my channel for how to start them from seed. They do seem to be a very heavy blooming plant. Now I do feed mine 1 time a week with a 15-30-15 bloom boost, which I'll put a link down in the description for that. And the hummingbirds do go to these. I found that out the one day when I was in the greenhouse. Root system right here. Now you can see the root system on this. I'm going to rough this up here just a little bit. Oops, I'm going to get this planted here. There we go. One. I want to get the ones here that are blooming the most. Try and untangle them here. Kind of got tangled up in the greenhouse when they were growing. So, rough the root system up. Beautiful flowers.
Yeah.
They're very exotic looking. I'll put this over here. Okay, here we go. Whoopsies. So here, kind of wrapped all around there. I'm going to have to make a note on these to put them in their baskets when they're littler. So, get the root system up. There we go. Now I am going to get this watered, and they were sort of growing in what I would call partial, they were kind of in partial shade, partial sun. Had a little bit of dappled sunlight in the greenhouse, and that was from the other plants kind of shadowing over them from the larger stuff growing in the greenhouse. Now I'm growing in Pennsylvania in zone 5B. So, I will not be putting this out in full sun. Probably going to put it on the porch, and that's where most of the hummingbird feeders are, and the hummingbirds can go over there and get a drink from it. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. Now one thing, if a really bad storm is coming, whether it be this hanging basket or any of our hanging baskets, we do take them down, because the wind will damage them, and we don't want that to happen. So if there's like a severe storm coming or a lot of wind, we'll go ahead and take them down. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells us I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye!